This is our first annual Washington County Weld Off. We have 208 students from 29 schools, so we had a great turnout. Registration this morning started at 7 o'clock. We had safety orientation at 8 o'clock. Right after safety, the team started building, the welding competition started. Everyone's doing a great job. Really lots of talent out of these young people. We couldn't be happier.
200 plus kids will have went through some kind of welding certification process today, a weld test. Some of them will get certifications. All of them will be competing against themselves and each other. And it all happens because of a facility like this makes that happen, because you have the area to move around and do it without everybody trying to work off of just 10 machines. I think it's good for the students at Blinn as well, because they're going to school and getting an education, but they can also give back. One of the sponsors at the event today that paid for the materials for some of the trophies that were made here by the students at Blinn graduated from Blinn's program here and now has his own company. We take education and we kind of weld it together with industry.
In addition to the competition and the practice, we have a lot of companies that stepped up. Miller, which is the manufacturer of our welding machines, they have a trailer out here with some of the most up-to-date welding machines they offer. Ocean Corp is a company that does underwater welding. So there's a spot where kids can put gear on up to their shoulders and literally stick their hands in water and weld underwater just to see what that's like. The best way to learn in welding is through competition and practice, and this event gives them both.